Wow, thank you so much, Mom, for bringing your concerns to us. We want you to let you know that we are always open for such concerns. So feel free to always give us a call if ever there's anything that's on your mind. As far as pushing or ensuring that your daughter gets into the computer workshop program, we are going to be unable to do that. That is not the alpha way. And we understand that you want to make sure you put your daughter in the best position to succeed in life. And you want to make sure that she's in a position where she's going to have a lot of job opportunities and offers. But one of the alpha's three promises is that students will love school. And so as a result, we want them to have self agency. And that is one of the biggest life lessons that they can take coming from an alpha school. With that self agency, they're going to do things not because you want them to or because teachers want them to, but because they want to. And that's very important for students, so for us to fulfill those three promises. One of them being that our students will love school. Okay, we want them to do stuff because they want to do it, not because the teacher wants them to do it, not because the parent wants them to do it, but because they want to do it. What I would suggest is that let your daughter know that it's important for her to want to do it, but at the end of the day, do not force her to do it. That is not the alpha way, because then she's not going to love it. She's not going to give it her all. She's going to do it because you asked her to. One of the biggest life lessons, again, is self agency. We want her to have that self agency so that she realizes education is something that happens every single day when we are not around or when we are around. And not because someone told you to do it, but because you want to do it. So unfortunately, we will not be able to push your daughter towards the computer programming workshop, nor will we be able to force her in the workshop without her knowing that she just has to take the courses, because that's just not the alpha way. However, what we will promise is that she still will get the skills needed, where if she ever decided to go in that direction, she will be more than successful. And we really, really hope that she would trust and believe in us enough to know that we're going to make sure she's on the right path. Because trust and believe, that's the alpha way. Thank you.